Hi YouTube and welcome to another build showcase video. With this one we're making a woman's purse. I call it a chestnut. If you want to make a purse like this yourself, there will be a full step-by-step video with PDF pattern available on the 5th of August. Please check out our new website www.bscraftings.com. There we have a lot of free patterns with this one included. If you like this video, please consider subscribing as this will help the channel grow. So today we will be using all natural vegetable tan leather, which is not prepared in any way. First things first, of course, we need to cut out everything according to our template. Right after that, we move on to beveling, skiving, and thinning out all the necessary edges. With this build, we only need to thin out one piece. Then of course we need to prepare our edges. I will be using 800 grit, 1.5K and 2K grit sanding paper. This process is tedious but really necessary as it will give the edges a nice shine after it's finished. After sanding all of that, we bevel and then finish everything off with dye. Before that, of course, we need to apply some more oil, then dye both sides and finish everything with tank coat. Then of course move on to the edges. Finish them with tokonol and bevel them properly. Here, as you can see, it looks nice and shiny. Then we move on to our magnetic attachments. I firstly attach the inside part of the magnetic piece. Right after that, it is time to glue in the inside to the back panel. After that is done, of course, we need to finish the edges as we will not be touching that part anymore. So same procedure here, dye it, sand it, and finish everything off with tokonol. Then we move on to stitching that part up. Right after that, we make holes to the side panels of the purse. After that is done, it's time to do the same with our connecting part. When all holes are ready, we can move on to further assembly. So right here I'm marking all the necessary lines, where will the stitching and gluing go. Then we mark our hole lines, make the holes, and apply glue. After that is done, we need to attach one of the side panels. Don't forget your logo if you have one. And then stitch everything up, like so. Now take the other part and apply the second half of the magnetic attachment. The moment of truth, it is time to assemble the purse. So take your time and stitch everything up step by step. I will note that the side panel has to go over the connecting part. After the purse is finished, we move on to our straps. Nothing too complicated here. I use two straps. One is 78 centimeters and the other one is 67. So prepare your straps and the purse should be pretty much finished. And there you have it, a classic woman's acorn style purse. I call it a chestnut because it looks like a chestnut. Once again, if you want a PDF pattern or the product itself, check out our website, which is linked in the description below. And as always, I thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I will see you on another one.